So this is just a quick little video here completing this question. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with our radius 50. Then we're going to measure up here to the top of the vase, and we're going to do in our flower part. And when we have our flower, then we can come down here and find these points here to get in these tangential arcs, these radius 70 tangential arcs. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to set radius 50 on our compass. We're going to do that down here near the bottom of the page. So that's my radius 50 drawn in there. It says it's 40 millimeters down from the center for that flat part of the vase here. Across like so. So the next distance then from the center line here up to the top of the vase is 130 millimeters. So I'm going to step up 130 millimeters. I'm going to draw my line across. Now the width of the vase up here is 36 millimeters, full width of it. So we're going to have that and step that distance left and right up the center line. So half of 36 is 18. So I'm going to step 18 to the left and 18 to the right to get the top of that vase. Darkening that there so while we're here. So that's the top of the vase. Now the stem of the flower, just get the focus. Zoom in as well, but maybe the focus better here now from it. Okay, so the stem of the flower is 10 millimeters, so it's going to be 5 millimeters each side of that center line. Got that in there. The height here from the top of the vase up to the center of the flower part is 60. So I can measure up 60 here. The flower is a radius 25. We're going to come up from this corner here, up to hit the flower, and straight up from this part of the stem. So that goes straight up to there. This goes straight up to here, and then we can join these back into the center. That finishes off the flower for us. So that's the flower finished off. Now it says we can go down here from the top of the vase 10 millimeters. Draw my line across, and we're going to bring down the extreme points of the flower. So bring down this point here to that line, bring down this point over here, and that gives us our 2 points here now which we can join on top. So now all we're missing is our radius 70 circle here. So if we were to draw a straight line from here to here, it's going to be 50 millimeters, that's the radius of this. Straight line from here to here, it's going to be 70 because it's the radius of that one. So what we're going to have to do, it's going to be radius 50 plus radius 70 gives me a radius 120. So I'm going to set 120 on my compass. I'm going to swing it from the center here and swing it over on this side here. Now the distance from this point into here is going to be 70 because it's a radius of that arc. So I can set 70 on my compass, and from those 2 points I've just found, so from here, swing it, from here we can swing it, and keeping 70 on the compass then. So I move there. We're able to use those center points then to draw in our tangential arcs. Yeah, remember then, we're joining the centers to the center of the circle here. Same on this side here. And those 2 places then give us our point of contact. So that's that question there, fully completed, fully finished.